got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love.
Hi, welcome to my channel. I am Terry. So I'm going straight in with the Alyssa Edwards Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and that's what it looked like. I am going in with the black opal concealer in honey, and I'm using this as a base for my eyeshadow. I will be setting this concealer with the Sasha buttercup setting powder, and I'm just using a small amount of that. First, I'm going in with Texas Made, and it's this lightish pink color, and I'm taking that into my crease area, and I'll be blowing that out or blending that out, going upwards. Once that is blended, I will be going in with Beast, and I'm taking that directly into my crease, and I'm just wiping that in. I'm just adding that in using wiper sheet motion, and then I will be blending those two colors together. I'm going back and forth with the two brushes, and I am adding product as needed, and I am ensuring to blend those colors out properly. Now we're going back in with that concealer, the black opal concealer, and I'm cutting out my crease. I'm just doing a halfway cut crease here. I'm going in with BBDC, and it's that dark like purplish pinkish color, and I'm taking that to the outer part of where I had a cut crease, and I'm blending it back in with those two color. Next, I'm taking Unicorn Thrive, and I am putting that right onto the center of my cut crease. I'm not taking it way up to where my cut crease starts. You guys will see I will be leaving a gap. I'm going in with Inspire, and I'm taking that to the inner part of my lid, and I am dragging that right into that gap that I left there, so it creates like this little wing with shimmer. So next, I'm going with the Clean Color gel liner, and I am taking that and I'm using this to do a halfway wing liner. I'm going back in with Beast, and I am using this to set my wing liner so that it doesn't move around on my lid. Going back in with BBDC, and I am blending out the edge of that wing liner so that it looks seamless, and I'm also dragging that to the lower part of my lid or lash line. What do you guys call this part? Because I just call it anything these days. I think it's a lash line. I'm going back in with the Unicorn. What's that? Unicorn Thrive, and I am putting that to the inner part of my lower lash line. So now I'm just going on to the face. I won't be talking to this part as usual. It's my usual steps, so you guys can just enjoy the music, and I'll be back to finish up.
You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Like a drive in the sun, windows down, music on. We've got nothing but time. Feel the breeze in my head, baby, we be cruising. Oh, na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na. Sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with the daredevil's brain. This feeling I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. Yeah, you know all the ways I like it. Yeah, you know how I like it, baby. Got me tangled all up in these sheets. Yeah, holding you, holding me, easy love. Yeah, you and me, yeah. Got me tangled up all in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love.
So now I'm just going in with my liner. I'm using a dark brown liner as usual to line my lips. I'm taking this Me Makeover Essential Lippy, and it's a very creamy lip. I'm just using this on my lips, and as usual I just do a simple lip, just 2 products. And then I decided that I wanted to add some Swarovski crystals onto my eye makeup look. So I went in with those Swarovski crystals. I used my lash glue to create 4 little dots on the top of where my makeup stops, and I go ahead and I apply those crystals just to bling it up some more. This part is optional, of course, but I really like the way I look with the crystals, so I added them. So this is the finished look, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it so much. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Okay, enough love from Terry. Bye.
Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home